Besides the award, there's tangible benefit. I mean, we've reduced our reactive work to 3%.
Best Leadership for Reliability program going to Central, Contra, Costa, Sanitary District.
It's a testament to our reliability journey and the culture of leadership we've developed over the years.
A big part of leadership is the managing of change, engaging folks, empowering staff so they can lead, by example themselves. We call it kind of the force multiplier. You have more than one leader in an organization, a champion. The challenge was finding the champion because maybe someone's kind of leading this effort, for example, oil program. We thought this person is great for this, but it wasn't really where he really wanted to go. So we had to look for someone else to help supplement until we found Brian Walters is our expert in the lubrication program now, and it's because we found the right champion and we enabled, empowered, and then that person, the force multiplier, took the program, ran with it, and led it.
The challenge that I saw was getting everyone to collaborate and work together. We have actually one of our associate engineers in the reliability group, Zachary Lee. He actually took the initiative to conduct tutoring sessions for the CRL exam. We've brought in folks from the instrument shop, buildings and grounds, all the maintenance shops, the electric shop, mechanical maintenance. Gave them some tutoring sessions during the week. We bumped up from 10% certified reliability leaders to this year, about a quarter of our staff at Central San have their CRLs now. So we're all kind of speaking the same language at this point, understanding what's the goal and what we're all trying to strive for.
We're really excited, proud, honored to receive the Leadership for Reliability Award. And one of the first things we do now when we get back to the office is we're scheduled to report out to the board of directors. We'll show the different shops and groups in the company that helped us achieve this awards. What we do is we typically on our website post awards of the organization because it's good to show the community we're a leading organization, we know we are, and we strive to continuously improve. We have what was called Central San Academy, where we bring folks in the community in, and we talk about all the different divisions and what we do. We mentioned the awards also. We tell younger folks in high school and technical college what we do, and we mention the awards so they see and aspire to work for a company that has a high bar for excellence. The other part is really, besides the award, there's tangible benefit. I mean, we've reduced our reactive work to 3%, our target's 10. We've held our budget flat for 8 years, but we still hired additional people.
When we bring back this Leadership for Reliability Award back to our Central San and show the shops and show everyone there, that's just gonna be more of lighting the fire under us to keep our legacy going, because it's just another testament to our hard work that we've been doing for the past 10 years that shows what we're doing is correct. We're striving to get to a more optimal run program, and we're reaping the benefits.
Most of all, I'd like to, for the resource, the framework, Reliability Web, the Uptime Elements, AMP, and the RLI community, just a tremendous resource, and we wouldn't be here without